Now featured in our extensive line of energy-saving LED products is the Halo LED Adjustable Gimbal. Designed with 360 degrees of rotation and a 35-degree tilt, now you can control the direction of the light. Equivalent output to a 65-watt bulb with excellent dimming capabilities, this easy-to-install design can be used in 4, 5, and 6-inch standard and shallow new construction or remodel recessed housings. We are now going to walk through a quick retrofit installation. After you disconnect the power at the junction box, remove your existing lamp, trim, and any mounting brackets or socket plates. Screw the Edison base adapter into the socket. Attach your ground wire with the provided screw located in the parts bag. Attach the orange connectors. Line up your torsion springs with the torsion spring receivers and guide the module flush to the ceiling. If you are working with a 5-inch housing, you need to make a simple modification to the torsion springs. Shift inward to the position labeled 5-inch. If you come across a housing that doesn't use torsion spring receivers, use the included 5 and 6-inch friction blades. It's that simple. Redesign your home to accent features like artwork, fireplaces, and kitchen cabinets. For the latest in energy savings and technology, choose Halo. Innovation you can rely on.